Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 2.2 Helen Keller and Anne Sullivan from standard 9th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 2.2 हेलन केलर अँड ॲन सुलिव्हान या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, से वेदर द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. प्रश्न पहिला, खालील वाक्ये चूक आहेत की बरोबर आहेत ते लिहा. ए, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट डे इन हेलन केलर्स लाइफ was when her teacher came to her. Answer, true. B, when young Helen stretched out her hand, her mother took it. Answer, false. C, young Helen learned to spell many words without understanding them. Answer, true. D, one day young Helen understood that everything has a name. Answer, true. E, young Helen did not try to put the pieces of the doll together. Answer, false. F, young Helen felt sorry that she had broken the doll. Answer, true. Next question. Question number 2. Listen carefully and classify the following words into one and many. मित्रांनो, खालील शब्द काळजीपूर्वक ऐका व त्या शब्दांचे खालील तक्त्यामध्ये एक व अनेक असे वर्गीकरण करा. वर्ड्स: डे, कॉन्ट्रास्ट, टीचर, लीव्स, मंथ्स, इयर्स, आफ्टरनून, पोर्च, सायन्स, फेस, फिंगर्स, लीव्स, ब्लॉसम्स, अँगर, बिटरनेस, वीक्स, स्ट्रगल, शिप अँड डार्कनेस. 1. Answer: डे, टीचर, आफ्टरनून, porch, face, anger, bitterness, struggle, sleep and darkness. Many. Answer: contrasts, leaves, months, years, signs, fingers, leaves, blossoms and weeks. Next question. Question number 3. This narrative is written in the first person using I. मित्रांनो, खालील वाक्ये आय हा प्रथम पुरुषी शब्द वापरून लिहिलेली आहेत. Rewrite the following sentences using Helen Keller or young Helen appropriately in place of I and making other necessary changes in the sentences. मित्रांनो, खालील वाक्ये आय ऐवजी हेलन केलर किंवा यंग हेलन वापरून तसेच वाक्यात इतर आवश्यक ते सर्व बदल करून पुन्हा लिहा. A, I did not know what the future held of marvel or surprise for me. Answer, young Helen did not know what the future held of marvel or surprise for her. B, the morning after my teacher came, she led me into her room and gave me a doll. Answer, the morning after Helen Keller's teacher came, she led her into her room and gave her a doll. C, on entering the door, I remembered the doll I had broken. Answer, on entering the door, young Helen remembered the doll she had broken. D, then my eyes filled with tears, for I realized what I had done, and for the first time I felt repentance and sorrow. Answer, then young Helen's eyes filled with tears, for she realized what she had done, and for the first time she felt repentance and sorrow. Question number 4. Read the following sentences and frame at least 2 relevant questions on each. मित्रांनो, खालील वाक्य वाचा व त्या वाक्याशी संबंधित कमीत कमी 2 प्रश्न तयार करा. A, I was like that ship before my education began. Questions with who, what and when. Example, who was like that ship before her education began? B, one day I was playing with the new doll. Answer, 1. When was I playing with the new doll? 2. What was I doing one day? Question C. I learned a great many new words that day. Answer 1. Who learned many words that day? 2. What did I learn that day? D. She brought my hat. Answer 1. What did she bring? 2. Who brought my hat? E. We walked down the path to the whale house. Answer 1. Where did we walk down? 2. Who walked down the path to the whale house? F. That living word awakened my soul. Answer 1. What awakened my soul? 2. What did that living word awaken? Next question. Question number 5. Write about your own experience. तुमच्या स्वतःच्या अनुभवाबद्दल लिहा. Do you remember an occasion when you did something successfully for the first time? तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा एखादी गोष्ट यशस्वीरित्या पूर्ण केल्याचा प्रसंग आठवतो का? Write about it in short 10 to 12 lines आणि त्या प्रसंगाबद्दल 10 ते 12 ओळीत माहिती लिहा. Prepare an outline of your composition before you write it. आणि तुमची रचना लिहिण्यापूर्वी त्याची रूपरेषा तयार करा. Answer. Our teacher gave us an assignment to write a poem on a peacock. I tried my level best, but I could not do it successfully. Then I took the help of my sister. As per her guidance, I collected some words related to peacock. Then I tried to weave the words in line and to match the rhymes also. At last, I was successful to write a poem based on peacock. When I read it in the class, I got good praise from the teacher as well as my classmates. It was really a memorable occasion for me. Next question. Question number 6. Gather more information about the following. खालील विषयाबद्दल अधिक माहिती गोळा करा. A. Different types of impairment that limit a person's activity or to make it difficult for him or her to mix with others in society. विविध प्रकारची कमतरता जी एखादी व्यक्तीच्या क्रियांना मर्यादित करते किंवा त्याला किंवा तिला समाजातील इतरांमध्ये मिसळणे कठीण करते. Answer 1. Visual impairment. 2. Hearing impairment. 3. Impairment of speech production. 4. Impairment of language comprehension. 5. Intellectual impairment. 6. Reading impairment. Next question. B. How modern technology can be used to overcome those problems. या समस्यावर मात करण्यासाठी आधुनिक तंत्रज्ञानाचा वापर कशा प्रकारे करता येईल? Answer. Modern technology is more useful for the disabled people than the common man in the society. It facilitates as per the requirement of the person. It will be a boon for them. Devices like captioned television, live speech captioning, telecommunication devices for the deaf are useful for hearing impairments. Next question. Question number 7. Complete the following sentences using your own ideas. खालील वाक्ये तुमच्या स्वतःच्या कल्पना वापरून पूर्ण करा. A. The most important day I remember in all my life is the one on which I got my first prize. B. I did not know what to say. C. One day while I was playing, I got a fracture in my hand. D. I realized what I was doing was wrong. E. I do not remember what I did at that moment. अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 2.2 हेलन केलर अँड ॲन सुलिव्हान या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथेच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.